There's a new force in manufacturing today, a force that can dramatically increase asset performance, a force that can link the impact of improved maintenance to financial results, and a force that can keep you competitive in a fast-changing global economy. Advanced Technology Services is a company whose time has come. From aerospace to discrete manufacturing to distribution, ATS has the technology to turn up the volume in your operation through a well-managed maintenance program.
ATS makes factories run better. We do that through outsourcing production equipment maintenance. Over 20 years ago, we emerged from Caterpillar to provide this type of service to Caterpillar and then other companies, and today we provide this service to many companies throughout the United States.
I have outsourced this to ATS because you are the experts, and therefore my results, my productivity gains, the ability to run the equipment as well as I need to should be even higher because I had ATS. And from what I've seen, that's true. I have better than I would have gotten in any other solution.
Using the tools of Lean, Six Sigma, 5S, and Total Productive Maintenance, it's not unusual to see productivity soar by as much as 30%, while scrap is reduced by up to 60%.
If you're looking for a wrench turner, ATS might not be the right solution for you. If you're looking for a thinking person backed up by an organization that's committed to advancement, improvement, partnering, then ATS is probably a good solution. If you're looking for, give me your best ideas, give me your best improvement concepts, share with me your philosophy of how we reduce variation through Six Sigma, share with me your philosophy about how we drive the highest levels of safety, not only among the ATS employees, but among all the employees within the building. That's where ATS can bring you value.
And with ATS on the job, you're assured that PMs will be performed on time, metrics developed, and world-class reporting standards implemented. That's because ATS is a data-driven organization that plots the performance of your production machines.
What I find with ATS is good mechanics, but great information. 3 years later, I think we're seeing fantastic results. We're seeing a greater time between failures. We're seeing better PMs, more proactive PMs. We're seeing that proactive time versus proactive maintenance versus reactive maintenance. The proactive side, obviously, much higher.
Technology coupled with seasoned professionals gives ATS an edge in the fast-paced industries we serve. In fact, ATS works as an integral member of your team to improve your process and productivity.
ATS allows us to be ahead of the curve because they're watching the things that we're not.
ATS brings a very systematic approach, very data-driven. The management tools that are in place are heads and tails above organically owned maintenance. I think that the maintenance manager or the site manager that they have in place is, from a business perspective, is of a different mold than many maintenance managers, or what you might think is a stereotypical maintenance manager, where the ATS site manager is business-oriented with a maintenance background or maintenance skills.
From reliability-centered maintenance to complete tool room and parts management, ATS can make an immediate financial impact on your operation.
ATS brings to us a financial accountability or financial responsibility to maintenance, where we're not just focused on fixing the machine today, we're focused on fixing it right and making sure that we have a positive business impact in the future.
Can we get the absolute most out of the equipment that's in the building? Can we run it 3 shifts instead of 2? Can we run it 7 days instead of 5? Can we make sure that when it's supposed to be running, it's running? And that's where we partner with ATS. This is what the demand is doing. It's going to continue to head in this direction. There is no relief in sight. So what can we do to wring out every possible second out of all of the critical pieces of equipment that we've got in the building?
And with ATS's ability to analyze trigger points from key performance indicators, ATS is able to go right to the root of the problem, reduce or eliminate unplanned downtime. For advanced reporting, our web-based eFactory Pro CMMS system lets you monitor every production asset on the factory floor, anywhere an internet connection is available. And its simple interface lets you review work order status, repair procedures, and even historical machine downtime data in seconds. To maintain ATS's world-class standards, ATS stays on the cutting edge of predictive technologies using tools like thermography, vibration analysis, ultrasound, and oil analysis. But the key to continuous improvement of ATS standards is the training and career path development of our multi-skilled workforce.
Our continuous improvement initiative, coupled with our focus to provide value for our customers, is what provides us with superior personnel.
In fact, it's not unusual for ATS to recruit hundreds of maintenance technicians in any given year.
We're very good at recruiting maintenance technicians because it's our core competency. That's what our recruiters are trained to do. They understand what the maintenance technicians are looking for, and ATS is able to provide that to them.
Professionalism, pride, and technical skills are the cornerstones of the ATS workforce. No wonder 25% of ATS employees are former military.
The structure, the discipline that we have in the military, it's also in ATS. They parallel one another.
Add that to ATS's Workforce Ready program that takes eager students from high schools, community colleges, and universities, turning them into multi-skilled maintenance techs.
ATS is very involved in my future. Not only do they give me training to keep my skill set sharp, but they also have a career path that I can follow. I came to ATS after coming out of college for a couple years, went through the workforce program, and jumped right onto the assembly line working.
From recruiting to training skilled workers to replacing the retiring skilled labor force in maintenance, ATS has the unique ability to make a seamless transition into your operation. That's because we seek out the skills you need and staff accordingly. Confidentiality, planning, and putting the right people in the right job makes the transition process seamless. In fact, many transitioned employees have been happily employed with ATS for years.
I think there was a lot of work behind the scenes, and they made sure that the benefits and all were comparable. Some were even better than the benefits that we had. They were great. They made sure every I was dotted and every T was crossed.
ATS's benefits are to me better now than what I had when I was with the other company. So to me, I'm in better shape now with insurance and all than I was before.
From its roots as a spin-off enterprise of Caterpillar to its current position as the leader of outsourced production maintenance, ATS has grown its customer base to include some of the most prestigious companies in the world, including Caterpillar, Eaton, Fortune Brands, Honeywell, Textron, Motorola, and more. Isn't it time you put ATS to work in your operation? Advanced Technology Services. We make factories run better.